not as noise, but as the steady occupation of a living place. On the higher ground, where stone pressed close beneath the grass, the mountain hare gave its warning, a sudden thump of powerful hind legs striking earth, a dull, carried force travelling through ground rather than air, not alarm, not panic, only signal. Something noticed. Further along the slopes, red deer moved unseen. Their calls travelled low and unhurried, rolling through distance without urgency, without display, voices shaped by space rather than intention. Between these sounds, countless smaller movements lived, wings shifting air, bodies parting grass, stone disturbed by careful passage. The glen carried all of it without distinction. Water spoke continuously, a steady thread of movement running where gravity required it, never repeating, never silent. Wind altered its voice with every contour of land. Through trees it whispered, through gullies it deepened. Across open ground it passed without texture at all, the same force, yet never the same sound. High above, where attention rarely lingered, an eagle marked its presence, a cry falling briefly through distance, then gone again, no more significant than the others, no less. By night, the pattern shifted, day withdrew, other lives took precedence, and from the darkened slopes, the owl entered the glen's hearing, measured, unforced, a sound that did not disturb silence, but joined it. Nothing in the glen was ever truly still, even quiet held movement, even stillness was already occupied. The glen did not begin, the glen did not conclude, it simply continued, unconcerned with when it was being listened to.